To transfer from Exodus to MetaMask, start by opening your Exodus wallet and navigating to the portfolio page. Here you will see a list of all your assets, including cryptocurrencies and tokens. Identify the specific asset you want to transfer and click on the three dots next to it. Then select View Private Key or Export Private Key, depending on the option available in your Exodus wallet. Next, go to the MetaMask website and download the MetaMask extension for your browser. Then follow the prompts to install it. Once installed, click on the MetaMask icon in your browser toolbar and select Create a Wallet. Fill in the required information, including a password and backup phrase, and confirm that you have saved your backup phrase in a safe location. Now, click on the account name at the top of the MetaMask pop-up. Then select Import Account. Choose the private key option and paste the private key you exported from Exodus. Confirm that you want to import the account and wait for the transaction to be processed. After importing your account, you will see your balance and transaction history in MetaMask. To transfer funds from Exodus to MetaMask, go back to your Exodus wallet and send the desired amount to the address of the corresponding asset. In your MetaMask wallet, you can find this address by clicking on the three dots next to the asset in MetaMask and selecting Copy Address. Once you have sent the funds, wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain, which may take a few minutes depending on the network congestion and fees. After the transaction is confirmed, you will see the updated balance in your MetaMask wallet. It is essential to note that when transferring assets between wallets, you should always double-check the address and asset type to ensure you are sending the correct funds to the correct location. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with the transfer and adjust your transaction settings accordingly. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer your assets from Exodus to MetaMask and start using the MetaMask wallet to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your private keys and backup phrases safe to protect your assets.